Today we hosted a barbecue, demo and group ride. We decided it was about time to come out to our local area and host an event in Gold Coast, Australia, in a little park called Macintosh Park. It's usually where they host the V8 supercars. It was the perfect spot to do it, and it was a great day. And yeah, we had a great turnout.
That's really fun. That's a lot of fun.
Jason, how are you? Hi, how you going?
There is quite a big e-skate presence on the Gold Coast, but it does seem a little bit detached. There are quite a few different big brands, namely Evolve and Fick and other brands like Epic, and then of course ourselves. We wanted to get people out, bring everybody together and just see what the response was like.
What do you ride usually?
Meepo, Frankenstein-y. That's got a lot of power behind it.
Most people seem to really like the Raptor, and it's great to see everyone coming out, meeting up and getting to know each other a little bit, and we're really looking forward to doing more group rides and demo events.
No, it's insane, man. I like it. I like the speed and how stable it gets.
Yeah.
I've got them all forwards as well.
So I sort of...
The Raptor's just that power,
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yo.
That's a good board. All right.
I'm impressed with this board, how I back it online.
Yeah.
And I haven't even ridden it, I just back it because I know your crew and shit. I've seen your stuff, but yeah, it's a really good board. Thanks. Real sturdy, real fast.
We had the Fick boys come down and try out the Raptor as well.
Pretty user-friendly remote, eh?
They brought a few of their own toys, as you can see. But yeah, they seem to really enjoy it.
It just felt like it just kept pulling.
It just keeps going, yeah.
I like hammering mine pretty hard, but mate, my legs are still shaking now. Got some speed in that, brother. Like this, perfect. Just put a 200 watt solar panel on your head
That wouldn't be weird or nothing. Nah, battery technology is just going to get better. Like the size of this pack, give it a few more years and the cost will be lower, the capacity will be double, the output will be more, so we can get even more performance. It's a technological barrier at the moment. They just don't know how to make them much better at the cost. But if you look at the track record, the cost is coming down. You can predict it. So, like you look at what Tesla talk about with their batteries, and the cost is coming down. In 5 years, man, it could be double the capacity. Can't wait, huh? Just keep improving always, and that's what we're gonna do. Just okay, let's do it.
I think it's a really good basis to just gauge the interest and see who's out there. And I think there are even, more people that will join the community once they see that there's such a great little atmosphere and group of people that are, surrounding Eastgate on the Gold Coast, but also just in Queensland in general. Actually, by the end of the ride, the Raptors had run out of battery. Not because they had a small battery, but because everybody was riding them in the demos, and then by the time we went on the ride, we only had about 40 or 50% battery left, so lots of people were giving them a go and pushing them to the limits even, so. Yeah, there you go. It's great to see so many people out on the Gold Coast, and yeah, we look forward to doing more of these soon. Probably do one in Brisbane next. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, it's definitely a culture that's building up, so.
Whoa! I'm at top speed now, I'm okay,
It has got a nice throttle curve.
Yeah.